Hello friends, today we are going to make an origami fox, that is an easy paper fox. Hey, look at this. This is our Mr. Fox and his family. So are you ready to make it with me? So let's get started. For that we need just two things, a square or an origami paper and one black sketch. Now can you see these two vertical corners? Just fold it like this. Can you see this corner here now? Just fold it like me. Can you see this line? Just fold it again here. And do the same this part also. Now again just fold it like this. Can you see these three flaps? Now just take the first flap and fold it like this. This will be the ear of the fox. And take the second flap and put your finger inside it and just press it gently like this. Now we have ears and face of our fox. Next we want to make the tail. For that just fold this small triangle. This will become the tail. Now take your sketch and draw the eyes and nose. We can just color the ears and tail too. Now our Mr. Fox is ready. How easily we made it, isn't it? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe, like and comment. Bye. I will see you in next video.